Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, okay, so I have a sneak peek for you. Right, okay, so the only thing I'm going to tell you is this is a digital release and it's called Roses Are Red and it is for Valentine's. So I've already got some bits ready for you. So I'm just doing 2 cards. I'm doing a little teeny tiny one, which is, let me get this for you. It is 4 1/4 by 3. And then I've got another one here, which is 3 1/4 by 5. Right, okay, so like I said, I've got my bits ready. I need glue, don't I? Yeah, let's put it upside down so I know it's going to come out. So we have this sentiment and it's called Love You to the Moon and Back. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to fussy cut this like this. Oh, nearly cut me moon. Yeah. Up like so. I don't like fussy cutting, but when you need to, you have to. I've got something else to show you, but I'm not going to show you in this video. I'm going to make you wear it. And it's absolutely, oh wow, it's just amazing. And I cannot wait to play. I haven't played with it yet. But yeah, oh, I can't wait for you to see it. It's just, yeah, it's amazing and I love it. And I think you're going to love it as well. I think that will fit on there nicely. Oh, yes. I'm thinking, does it need gems or something on it? What have I got in here? I've got a little box in here filled with gems. What's these? Ooh, I've got these. Would they look too? No, I don't know. They're pretty, but no. No, I haven't really got any gems in there. These are from my bit box. I don't think I've got gems there, but I do have some gems in here. So, see if I've got any love hearts. Let's have a look. See, got pink gems. Pink would be nice, wouldn't it? Got stars. Got red stars, blue stars. Got pink stars. Don't know. I don't want anything out there. Let's have a look in this gem box. Got gems everywhere. Gems coming out of my ears. Ooh, we've got some love arts here. Wrong colour. Yeah. Wrong colour. What have we got here? I've got some champagne coloured gems. Got some flowers. Ooh, no, wrong colour. Is it? No, I'm going to use them hearts. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use them hearts. Oh, just put them in there. Right, okay. So let's get sticking after all that faffing. Has anybody got a Valentine's this year? I haven't. So I don't know who I would send these Valentine's cards to. If anybody, it would be our lovely Dawn. She'll always be my Valentine's. I think that's straight enough. Are you seeing any of this? Hope so. Okay, so, and then I'm just going to stick this down. No dimension. So here we are. and this is just going to stick right in the middle. Very simple but beautiful. That's nice. So we've got these. I mean, I can tack them off one by one, or I can tack them off. I think I like these ones. So I'll put one there. Never used these. Oh, I've used bits of one, but I've not used them in full. I'm going to put one there. Oh, I like that. And the last one, I think, is going to go there. So you can still see "Love You to the Moon and Back." Oh, I love that. It's simple, lovely pinks and the yellow moon in the middle. Beautiful. So that's our first card, and then this card is going to be long ways, landscape ways, should I say. So I'm just going to stick this on. So no matting layering, just one, just for the backing. After all, it is a sneak peek. I don't want to show you too much. And this will go on here. So we've got a gorgeous white border on there like that. I love the distressed look of these. It's not what they're supposed to look like, but my printer had other ideas. I think I'm going to do that, and we also get some roses. So I think I'm going to use some roses. Yeah. Should I fussy cut? No. I'm going to do this. Move things out of the way. Can you even see? Right, so that's my straight edge there. Sorry, my chomper's a little bit squeaky. There, and at the top. Let's get that in straight if we can. Be straight? I think so. And there we go. I like that. That over there. And that is going to go there like that. I don't think they will go with the... No, I need black ones. I did see... Were they in here? Where did I see black ones? They're in here, aren't they? Got that much stuff on my desk. There they are. So I'm going to use black ones because this has got a black background. I think will look quite nice. Right, okay, so doesn't need dimension. I'm going to put some dimension on this one. So I've got some here. Right, okay. Just cut that edge off. Cut that there, that there, and then that will fit on there. Okay. Stick that on there. Oh, it's too long. So I'm just gonna, I don't know where that went. It flipped off somewhere. Right, okay, so we have that. I think I'm going to put dimension on one of these roses, just the big-ish one anyway. Yeah, if I don't like it, I can always take it off. Right, okay, so we have that. I'm going to stick this down because I know where it's going. And it's just going to go the bottom here. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to put that flower there. A rose. A rose by any other name. Don't know where that's from. Is that Shakespeare, is it? I'm going to put, yeah, I'm going to put that one there. And then the one with dimension on, I'm going to put just there. Right, so I want some of these black gemmies. That one. That one. Oh, we've got a little tiny one there. I think I need my gemmy tool. Gemmy tool, where are you? Oh, wrong side. Ugh. Got this from Dawn's shop. Amazing. I think. I haven't used it yet because I've been using my old one. So we want one there, one there, one there. Yeah. So, oh, yeah. Leave go. That's got one underneath it. I wondered why it was so bulky there. Put that down and pick it up again. Oh, it's very sensitive. That one there. Oh, I like it. Does it need some more? I think it needs 2 more. Needs 2 more. So I'm going to put one there, one there. So I want another little one. Oh, we've got big ones there. Is that too big? Oh, put that one there, I think. Just going to use the end of that. Make sure it's actually sticking. And this one, I think. Oh, yes, I like that better. That's a very good tool, that. So, yeah, Dawn's shop. I'm going to put these back in here because I think we're finished. For my first sneak peek, there will be another sneak peek. There may be 3. I don't know. But, yeah, I like this. This kit is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not one for Valentine's. Never really celebrated Valentine's with anybody. So, yeah. And I'm quite alright with that. But very, very beautiful, very different pink and red. I love it. I love the sentiments as well. Beautiful. Right, okay, so first sneak peek. I hope you enjoyed watching. Oh, they look beautiful, don't they? I like. Make sure you check out the description box below for all the other fabulous design team members who are working with this kit. I'm sure they've made some awesome things for you. I will be checking them out also. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.